All right, guys, all y'all that have rent houses or just want to secure your AC unit outside, my boy here, Michael, Mad Dog Graves right here, he's a genius. So we got some steel pipe right here. We just cut it about like this and put 90'd it right here. And we come in here with the unit bit and drill the hole right there and another one right there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that just in there, and we're gonna get this high dollar ground rod driver and drive it on to the house. I'll get back with y'all in just a little bit. All right, this is what your finished product will look like. Drove them in the ground, run it this way, run it this way, where, yeah, I mean, they could theoretically still get it. They had to take the bottom apart. But most of these people wanting to just come snatch and grab real quick, well, that ain't coming out the ground. So they gonna try to snatch and grab and realize it can't come up, and they're gone. So just something quick, simple to do. Maybe help y'all instead of having to build a cage. I know a lot of people build cages, but this right here does the job too. So anyway, that's my boy Mad Dog right there. It's all his idea, but it's a good one. So appreciate y'all.